Hi guys, how can you create a perfect step-by-step clipping mask effect in Photoshop like this? First, I have to adjust my layer setting position. Sorry for that. First, select the quick selection tool with rectangle selection and make a selection around the object, a pillow. If some unwanted areas are selected, hold Alt and make selection to remove those parts from the selection. If some areas are missing, hold Shift and drag to add them back into the selection. Keep adjusting the selection until the object is selected perfectly. Now press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate copy of the selected object. Next, go to File, Place Embedded, and insert the image you want to apply onto the object. Rotate and resize it to fit properly. Then right-click on that image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+T to adjust the position and size exactly where you want it. Once done, press Enter. Now go to the blending mode and set it to multiply. After that, open Blending Options, under Blend. If underlying layer, hold Alt and split the slider for smoother blending. Adjust the sliders until the texture blends naturally with the object. Bottom right one around 225, and the top right one around 228, and top left slider around 33. For a stronger and more colorful effect, you can change the blending mode from multiply to color burn. If you want a softer result, keep it on multiply. I select the color burn. Now, lower the opacity to around 85% for a more realistic look. And that's it. This is how you can create a perfect step-by-step clipping mask effect in Photoshop that looks natural and professional.